What's up guys, it's Raccoon back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at my personal gaming setup, which I haven't done an update on in half a year, so here it is. Hope you guys did enjoy that quick B-roll sequence. So now let's jump into the PC specs. So for my CPU I'm using an i7-860, which is a 4-core 8-threaded CPU clocked at 2.8 GHz base clock with a boost of 3.5 GHz. It is on par, slightly falling behind an i3-8100, and the CPU is pretty similar to an i3-8100 in performance. Now for the graphics card, I'm using a GTX 770 2GB produced by EVGA. It is gold and black and it has 2 fans, although even with 2 fans it does get quite loud. Now for RAM, I'm using 8GB of DDR3 HyperX RAM clocked at 1600 MHz. They have a rather nice black shroud on them, so it does look quite nice in my PC. The motherboard I'm using is an Asus P7P 550LE, which is quite an old motherboard and does not feature any USB 3.0 ports and is quite expensive on eBay. Then I'm also using 64 gigs of SSD storage and a 1TB hard drive. Now that's my PC specs. Let's move on to my monitor. The monitor I'm using is a Dell 1904 monitor, which is a 19-inch monitor, and it does have a resolution of 1650 by 1050, so it is not too good in 2019, but it does the job for me. For a mouse, I'm using the SteelSeries Sensei mouse, which is a great mouse. For audio, I'm using Logitech's speaker set and Turtle Beach P11 headset. So that's all from me guys. Hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you didn't, smash the dislike button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.